In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making money online promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So as you can see right on my screen here, this is the spirituality niche right here. Okay, so basically this account right here is posting content about spirituality and they are selling a Clickbank product. So to know what they are selling, all you just need to do is to highlight the link in the bio right here, and you want to copy the link and you want to go to a new tab and you want to paste in the link right here and you want to add plus. Okay, so once you add plus to that and you click on enter, it's going to show you what this page is promoting. As you can see the destination link right here, you can see this is Clickbank right here. Okay, which tells you this account is promoting a Clickbank product. Or the second way to know what they are promoting is by just clicking on the link to find out. All right, so as you can see, the bit.ly link redirects to this page right here. Okay, so basically, as you can see, this person is promoting a Clickbank product. So if I scroll down, as you can see right here, this is a Clickbank product right here. Now I'm going to show you exactly how this page is doing it and they are making money. As you can see right here, they are getting a lot of engagement on their post. You can see over 900 likes on this post and over 200 comments. Okay, so now you may be wondering, you don't have a big Instagram account, you can't do this. As you can see right here, this is also a small account in this niche as well, and they are also doing well as well. Okay, so you can see now they have almost 60 likes on one post alone, as you can see right here, and you can see this one as well, over 50 likes on this post, even though they have just a little over 2,000 followers on this account. All right, so as you can see right here, they also have a link, and if I click on this link, I can assure you that they are also promoting a Clickbank product in this niche. So what you are going to do is very simple. All you just need to do is to create an Instagram account by going over to instagram.com and creating an account, and you want to use a name similar to what these people are using right here. As you can see, this person is using Law of Attraction Guide right here, and if we go back to this former account, you can see this one is saying manifest me millions. All right, so basically you want to use a name that resonates with wealth in this niche. Okay, so once you do that, now you want to create a bio that looks similar to what these guys are using right here. So once you do that, the next thing now is to create content. The first method is by reposting other people's content, but if you want to do that, you want to make sure you give them credit for using their content. And the second method is by creating your own content. And to do that, all you just need to do is go over to Google and you want to type in wealth affirmations. So once you do that, you want to click on any of this link on this first page right here to grab as many affirmations as you can. So now you can see this is an example right here, affirmations for manifesting money. All right, the first one says, I attract money to me easily and effortlessly. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically copy each of these affirmations right here, and you want to head over to canva.com, and here you want to type in Instagram. All right, so once you type in Instagram right here, you want to select this post, Instagram post right here. So once you do that, as you can see right here, you can select as many templates as you want from Canva and use them to create your affirmations for absolutely free. Okay, so now what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to take this template here as an example. Okay, so once you do that, as you can see right here, you want to double click on this text right here and you want to paste in the text you copied from that website, as you can see right here. So here you want to basically type in your Instagram account name right here. So whatever you are using, so I'm just going to be taking SB Marketing right here. All right, so basically you want to type in the Instagram account name right here. All right, so once you do that, you want to delete this other templates right here. You don't need it. So now once you're done, literally that is how easy it is. So once you're done and everything looks absolutely good, now you want to just basically click on this share right here, and then you want to click on this download. All right, so if I click on the image right here, as you can see, this is the image you are going to be posting on your Instagram account. All right, so basically you want to repeat the same process for all of these affirmations right here. As you can see, there are many affirmations. You can see this one is an example that you can use right here. So basically, if you do this, you are not going to have any copyright issue. You can see there are so many affirmations that you can just basically copy and then use Canva to convert them into an image. And all you just need to do is to come back to your Instagram account and post them right here, like this person is doing right here. Okay, and I can assure you they are making a lot of money by doing this. As you can see, almost 60 likes on this post right here, even though it's just a small account. So once you're done with that, all you just need to do is to upload the images to your Instagram account. And once you have it uploaded, then you want to go over to clickbank.com. You want to click on the marketplace section right here. You want to scroll to the very bottom where you find spirituality and beliefs right here. Okay, so once you do that, you are going to see a lot of products right here, and this one has the highest gravity score in this category right here, wealth manifestation, as you can see right here. So this is going to be a very good product to promote because it has a very high gravity score, and also the payout is $48. So any sale you make for this product, you are getting paid $48. All right, so all you just need to do is to click on this promote right here and create your uplink, and then you want to copy the uplink right here. So you can basically come over to bit.ly.com, or you can come over to this cut.ly website, and all you just need to do is paste in your link in the box right here, and then you want to click on shorten. So once the link has been shortened, all you just need to do is go over to your Instagram bio, and you want to paste in the link right there. All right, and you want to make sure you also post consistently, at least 3 posts every single day. As you can see right here, it doesn't even take up to 5 minutes to create one post using Canva, just like this one right here. Okay, so it's very, very easy to create. You can literally create tens of posts every single day with Canva, and using these free affirmations you can find on this website right here, and then you can start making passive income on Clickbank. So another traffic source you can use is Pinterest, and the same method applies. All you just need to do is to go over to canva.com. Instead of typing Instagram post right here, you want to basically type in Pinterest. Okay, so once you type in Pinterest, all you just need to do is to click on this Pinterest pin right here, and you are going to see a lot of templates that you can use to create your pins as well. And that way you are going to start driving a lot of traffic through Instagram and Pinterest to your affiliate link. That way you are going to start getting a lot of clicks on your affiliate link, and some of them are going to purchase the product because they are already interested in that niche. Okay, so basically the final thing you need to do is you want to grow your followers, and to do that, all you just need to do is come to similar accounts, and then you want to click on their post. Then you want to come over to those who liked the content, and you want to basically follow these people right here. Okay, so if you follow these people, there's a very high chance they'll follow you back because you already know they are interested in this niche already. And the second way is by basically just coming over to their follower section, and you want to basically just follow all of the people who has followed this account. All right, so basically the same applies to Pinterest as well. So once you do this, you are going to get a lot of people following you back, and you can start driving traffic to your Clickbank link. So I hope you find some value in this video, and if you did, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.